All right, today we are diving into something that is a total game changer for content creation. We're not just talking about how to make a single AI video. Nope, we're talking about building an entire automated factory that can churn them out whenever you want. Let's get right into it.
So let's just start with a number, $9,000. What's that? Well, that's the estimated ad revenue per month for a single faceless YouTube channel that's using the exact AI system we are about to break down for you. This isn't some far-off dream. This is what's happening right now.
And here's the really crazy part. This isn't some channel that's been grinding away for years to see success. This all happened in just 4 months, with only 26 videos. It's absolute proof that speed and scale are completely rewriting the rules of the game.
So to get that kind of speed, you can't just follow some random one-off tutorial. You need a repeatable system, a blueprint. We call it the AI Content Factory, and it's built on 3 core modules that all work together perfectly.
And here they are. First up, viral scripting. This is where the big idea is born. Then we have automated assets. Think of this as the engine room where all your visuals and audio get created at lightning speed. And finally, final assembly, where we put it all together in minutes. So let's break down that first module.
Okay, Module 1, Viral Scripting. In this system, we don't just sit around and wait for inspiration to strike. No way. We use data to actually engineer virality right from the very beginning. This is where so many creators get it wrong, but it's where we're going to get it right. This right here is the secret sauce. Instead of guessing what might work, you go find what's already working. You find a competitor, you grab the titles of their most popular videos, you feed those to an AI like ChatGPT, and you ask it for new, fresh takes. This completely removes the guesswork, because you're starting with a topic that you already know people want to watch.
But, and this is a huge but, a great AI script isn't enough. You can't just copy and paste it. You have to go in there and inject your own voice, rewrite a few things to make it sound like an actual human. Honestly, this is the step that builds a real connection and separates the videos that get 10,000 views from the ones that get 500,000. It's that important.
So once your script is polished and sounds like you, here's where the real efficiency of the system kicks in. You don't have to sit there and brainstorm visuals. You just tell the AI, hey, take this script and turn it into a scene-by-scene list of image prompts. This list becomes the literal command sheet for our next module.
And that brings us to Module 2, Automated Assets. This is the engine of our factory. This is where we use some seriously powerful automation to generate all of our visuals and our audio in minutes, not hours.
Here's the core tool stack we're working with. For images, we're using Whisk AI, and we're going to supercharge it with a free little extension called AutoASK. For the voiceover, 11 Labs is an amazing paid option, but Google's AI Studio gives you a fantastic free alternative. And for anyone working on the go, the Qualm browser lets you do all of this on mobile. Pretty cool.
I mean, just look at the difference here. The old way is just a total slog. You generate one image, wait for it, manually download it, and then you repeat that 100 times. No thank you. But with the factory method, you paste your entire list of prompts in at once, click Start, and go grab a coffee while the system does all the work for you.
The key to all this automation is that tool I mentioned, Auto Whisk. It's just a simple, free Chrome extension that plugs right into Whisk AI. It takes that whole scene list we generated and just runs with it. It turns it into a finished batch of images, completely hands-free. This isn't just a small upgrade. It's a total revolution for the workflow.
But there's one giant problem with most AI image generation that trips everybody up. It's character consistency. If you just run your prompts, your main character is going to look like a totally different person in every single shot, and that just shatters the story. So how do we fix it?
Well, there's a really elegant solution. First, you generate one single high-quality reference image for each of your main characters. Then, you upload those images into a special subject feature in Whisk AI. Now, when you run your whole prompt list through AutoWhisk, the AI uses those pictures as a guide to make sure every single image features the exact same people. It's a pro-level trick that guarantees consistency.
Okay, our assets are generated. The engine has done its work. Now it's time for Module 3, Final Assembly. We've got our images, we've got our voiceovers, and now we're going to put them together into a final video. And we're going to do it fast.
This entire workflow is built for speed. First, you drop the voiceover in and you cut out all the little pauses to really tighten up the pace. Then you just line up your images to match what's being said, add some soft background music. Pro tip, keep the volume way down around -9 to -12 dB, and then just use simple fade transitions. That's it. No need for complex effects.
The video is done, but we are not finished. You can have the greatest video on earth, but if your thumbnail is bad, nobody's going to click on it. So for the final touch, we use the exact same system. Feed your video title back to an AI and have it generate a prompt for a super clickable, high-converting thumbnail. It's the last piece of the AI puzzle.
So after seeing this entire process laid out, you kind of have to step back and ask yourself a question. Is this my competition? Because this isn't just a new trick for making videos. This is a factory. It's a system that's about to change the game for a lot of creators.
And that really gets to the heart of it. The real goal isn't just to have one lucky hit video. The goal is to build a machine, a system that lets you produce high-quality content over and over again, at scale. That is how you build a real, sustainable channel that lasts.
And let's not forget the most incredible part of this whole thing. From a proven idea to a final, edited, ready-to-upload video with the custom thumbnail, the total time to do all of it can be less than 15 minutes. Just stop and think about what that kind of speed actually unlocks.
Which leaves us with one last big thought to chew on. If this is what's possible today, what does the creator of the future even look like? Is it the person who masters a camera, or is it the person who masters building and running systems just like this one? It's something to think about.